Here in a small industrial park in downtown Manassas, Virginia, the future of defense is taking shape, quite literally. This is RapidFlight, a young defense tech company manufacturing autonomous drones for military application.
What RapidFlight is doing is really disrupting the way drones are designed and deployed to meet the new types of missions and customer requirements that are just emerging as we go.
Fast, modular, and built on demand, their systems line up with the Trump administration's call for a new era of American technological innovation.
For a future stamped with the American character, the federal government must become an early adopter and avid promoter of American technology.
RapidFlight leverages 3D printing to go from blueprint to battlefield in a matter of days. CEO Esina Alic tells CBN News this could give America and its partners a powerful edge.
We deliver the mission-ready drones and interceptors that allies and the United States defense can afford and rely on. We have this modular capability and tech that let us really change our design real time based on any emerging threats and missions.
Brandon Smith, an engineer and RapidFlight's VP of Strategy, says recent conflicts highlight the power of cheap and adaptable drones on an ever-changing battlefield.
We've had demonstrations in Ukraine with the MOD over there. We scheduled a demonstration, we got over there, we performed our first mission, and they said, that's nice, but we need this right now. And we changed the design on the fly and supported their need. And then they said, oh, that's nice, but we've changed again, we need this.
What are your drones designed to be able to do? What are they capable of?
You're gonna hate this, everything. Our drones can do anything. We do rapid payload integration. So we have a common avionics system that allows us to plug and play or develop new drivers for any new technology, any new payload that our customers wanna go in. So we're not designed for one specific payload, although individual aircraft have accommodations for different things like cameras and cutouts and antennas and things like that. Changing those payload configurations is the kind of thesis of RapidFlight, being able to change that on the fly and adapt to user needs. So when you ask, what do we do? It's basically whatever our customers want.
Their mobile production system also means drones can be mass-produced anytime, anywhere.
You take the printers we have in our lab here, you take the manufacturing tables, tools, people, know-how, you put all of that into a form factor that's shippable all over the world and deposits that in a place where it can run autonomously, depending on how long you supply it, for 30 to 60, 90 days. If they have stuff out in the field, they can come back to us and say, I want to put this radio in this airplane. We do a quick design change on our end, send them the files electronically, and all of a sudden you're up and printing the tool you need at the moment you need it.
Just as important as the tech, where it's made. The Manassas facility represents a growing push to reshore key defense capabilities, ensuring that critical systems are built on U.S. soil.
By making drones in the United States, we can basically respond faster to emerging requirements and threats, while also protecting our IP and not depending on foreign supply chains.
RapidFlight is one of several emerging defense tech companies drawing serious attention and contracts from the Department of Defense. As global threats evolve, U.S. defense strategy seems clear. Think small, move fast, and invest big in next-generation capabilities made right here at home. Caitlin Burke, CBN News, Manassas, Virginia.